This is a Dual 36-inch vertical bandsaw. It's a model 3613-0. It's got 2 speed ranges. It's got a welder, grinder, and shear. It's actually in really nice shape. You can use it as a 16-inch saw. You can see the guard in the middle that easily comes out, and you can loop to your 3 blades, to your 3 band wheels, and use it as a 36. There's no blade in it right now, but if you look at the lower band wheel, you'll be able to see it running. Right now we're in the low range at the lowest speed. Turning it on, it's slow. Faster. Really shift at the lowest speed. In the high range now, you can see it faster. Going faster yet. This is our Dual 3613 vertical bandsaw. Thank you for watching.